Good morning. Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to my channel. Today's lecture is Parsing in NLP. So, in the previous lectures, we discussed about what are the motivations behind the parsing and how to do the parsing and the concept of parsing, everything. Okay, so in this lecture, we are going to discuss with a simple example how to construct a grammar, and based on that grammar, how to construct the parse tree. Okay, so here the simple example is the little boy ran quickly. So this is the given input sentence. So based on this sentence, first we need to construct the grammar. So how to construct the grammar? So sentence always sentence has to followed by noun phrase and verb phrase, right? So by using this sentence followed with a noun phrase and verb phrase, we have to write down the first terminal and non-terminals. So remember one very important thing, the left side all are called as a non-terminals, and the right side whatever the grammar present, that is called as a terminals, non-terminal and terminals. And one more important thing, here you need to remember the grammar, the parsing always can done from left to right. So that's why we can call it as a rightmost derivation. Rightmost derivation. Rightmost derivation. Okay. So now coming to this sentence followed with noun phrase and verb phrase. Again, the noun phrase can be followed with adjectives, nouns, determinants, singular nouns, articles, all the things under the noun phrase. So that and all you can write down like this here: noun phrase, adjective, noun phrases, and adjective, singular nouns. So that here you have to draw. Then coming to the verb phrase, so the verb phrase followed with a singular verb and adverb, and also can verb phrase followed with a singular verb and also noun phrase. But here we are seeing the input string, right? So based on this input string, the adjectives, what are the adjectives available in the given input string? A, the, little. So anything here present? Yes, of course. The, little, it is present. Then the singular nouns in the given input sentences are a boy, right? And the verb, singular verbs, we are having ran. And adverb along with the ran, along with the verb, what the task it is doing here, it is called as a adverb. So that is quickly. So this is our grammar. So based on this grammar, we have to draw the parse tree. So how we will draw the parse tree? So see here very clearly. First sentence, I'll draw here. Yeah. First sentence. Sentence is followed with noun phrase and verb phrase. This is the sentence followed with the noun phrase and verb phrase. Under the noun phrase, what are the available things here? Adjectives, adjective and noun phrase. Adjective and singular noun. Either you can use these two or these two. Okay. So here, see this one. Noun phrase followed with the adjective and noun phrases. According to our input sentence, we need to take this adjective and noun phrases. So under the adjective, what are the available tokens available? The, little and a. So in our input sentence, the and little is having. So adjective here it is the. And again noun phrase followed with the adjective and singular noun. So one more adjective here in our example is the. Okay. So then again singular noun. Singular noun is boy. So now the noun phrase part is completed. Now coming to the verb phrase part. So verb phrase followed with the singular verb and adverb in our based on given input sentence. The singular verb available in our input sentence is ran, and the adverb along with the verb is quickly. So now the sentence formation syntactically it is correct. The little boy ran quickly. Okay, so this is the way of constructing the parse tree. Okay, so this is about a simple example of the parsing NLP. Now in the parsing NLP we are having a two ways, right? Top down and bottom up parsing. So first coming to the top down parsing, how we will construct the top down parsing? We will take a simple example here. This is the top down parsing. So sentence is verb phrase. Verb phrase can followed with a verb and noun phrase. Noun phrase. So here the grammar, the given grammar. This grammar they'll give itself in the question paper. But we need to understand what is the grammar exactly. Okay. So the sentence is followed with verb phrase. So only one they given like this. Sentence is followed with also noun phrase, yeah, noun phrase and verb phrase. Then again verb phrase is followed with verb and noun phrase, and noun phrase followed with determinant and nominal. So like this you have to draw the tree, okay, based on your given input grammar. So here in the grammar they given only verb phrase in the sentence. First grammar, first line of your grammar production rule is sentence can followed with verb phrase. Okay, so now coming to the simple example how we will construct the parse tree based on the given grammar. So the input sentence is book the flight, right? So this is our input sentence, book the flight. So based on our input sentence, book the flight. So grammar is given, sentence followed with verb phrase, right? So here same thing you need to write down. Sentence is followed with verb phrase and verb phrase is followed with verb and noun phrase. So verb is book. So book in the sense like a booking, right? So singular verb. This is a singular verb based on our input sentence. This one verb. Then again verb phrase followed with noun phrase, right? So here in the noun phrase followed with check the grammar. Okay. So check the grammar. Noun phrase followed with determinant and nominal. So determinants are that, nominals are singular nouns, and a verb is available in our input sentence is book. One more singular noun we are having is flight, right? Nominal in the sense it's a singular noun. So you need to understand this grammar very clearly. So which non-terminal is followed with which terminal, that you need to understand very clearly. Okay, now coming to here, see this one, noun phrase, determinant and nominal. So determinant available here it is that. Okay, so then coming to the nominal, nominal is followed with singular noun. So what is the singular noun available in our input sentence? It is a flight. So now book that flight. Book the flight or that flight? Yeah, book that flight. So now the given input sentence is syntactically correct. Syntactically correct. This is the way of top down parsing. So you can observe one thing. Top down parsing, it shows like this. Directions from top to down. So this is about the top down parsing. Same example you can construct with the bottom up parsing. So see here the bottom up parsing, from down to top it will come. So observe the directions, just to change the directions. Observe the directions here, see, just change the directions. So down to top, that means bottom to top. Okay, so this is about a bottom up parsing. Here these are the two ways to construct the parse trees from the given grammar. So both top down parsing and bottom up parsing is satisfying the parse tree with grammar, given grammar. So here with the root node, see one thing you need to remember very clearly, with the given input sentence we are creating the root node, means that is bottom up. So with the given input sentence always will be in the bottom, right? So with the given input sentence, we are constructing the root node, means this is nothing but a bottom up parsing. And from the root node, we are constructing the sentence, means that is a top down parsing. Okay, that you need to remember. Here important thing is grammar, need to know grammar very clearly, then only we will build the parse tree. So first thing we need to understand the grammar, whatever the grammar they given, so that we need to understand very clearly. Once you understand the grammar, it's very easy to construct the top down parsing as well as a bottom up parsing. Okay, so this is about your simple thing of top down parsing and bottom up parsing in NLP. Okay, so in the next lecture I'm going to explain about the tree banks. So tree banks, in the next lecture I'll explain this tree banks. This is a very important concept, guys. Thank you very much. Hope everyone will understand this. What is the top-down parsing and what is the bottom-up parsing and what is the NLP? How to construct the parse tree using a top-down and bottom-up. Okay. Hope everyone will understand. Thank you. Thank you very much.